Magawai. Chipped forward by Gcaba. Oh, they've got it back. Mapate.
Gcaba! Oh!
Open the scoring. And for the first time in his career, bags a brace that surely settles it.
Give him the 100,000. Give him the money. Ah, yeah.
From the
This
Durban
guy.
City defender.
They have to rewatch
They
it.
watched it in real time. They'll relive the moment on DSTV stream. And what a moment.
What
Gcaba.
a moment indeed. Those are type of goals that have been scored by either strikers or midfielders. Very calm and very high up the pitch. Played a couple of 1-2s. He finds himself inside the box. Being able to hit the ball inside the tackle. We've seen him a couple of times, especially later on into the game. Mapate doing very well to win that ball, but look at the 1-2
Nice
goal. He
pass.
plays the ball, it still keeps going.
Finish.
A little bit of a talk as well, finding space and time inside the box. Look at the touch. And Mapate making sure as well that he stayed calm.
Yo.
Oh, it kept him rising there. That's the goal that Durban City needed.
100,000 is yours, boy. Number 9.
What a strike. Yeah. It's finished now.
It's finished now.